cerebellum. This would be the other hemisphere of the cerebellum. And then there's this middle chunk. There's literally this kind of in-between, almost like its own little hemisphere, but it's not. It's kind of just an adjoining hemisphere type structure. And we call this the vermis. The vermis is the very midline structure of the cerebellum. And when we look, there are also lobes of my cerebellum, very much like what we saw with the cerebral cortex. The lobes of the cerebral cortex would be frontal lobes, parietal lobes, occipital lobes, temporal lobes, insular lobes. Here we have an anterior lobe, a posterior lobe, and a flocculonodular lobe. So here's kind of a very simplified version of that. So if we made our butterfly have multiple wings, it would look more like this. And so this would be the anterior lobe, and a much larger posterior lobe, and a very teeny tiny flocculonodular lobe.